nagbago ng buhay at binago niya ang buhay ko sa pagiging artista ko po. Simula kami sa TV, hindi talaga namin pinagawa ko sa buhay. Ngayon, parang na-realize ko na ang mundong ko ay madali as long as you let them teach you, let them guide you, and you actually learn how to be accountable, learn from your mistakes, and always look up to the person who you value the most. So that's my method for people.
Thank you, Shoes. Maraming salamat. Anybody else?